we read about the houses, types of houses, and why we need houses. Identify the houses in cities and villages. This we have already done. Now few question answers also we have done, few are left. So I'll start with the question answers first. Just look at the whiteboard. See. Mehak, please don't do the stupidity. I told you na your names ka. Don't write anything. Your names are here, please. Okay. Now our chapter is houses. Houses, chapter number 1, semester 2. Semester 2, chapter 1. Okay. Chapter 1, houses. Now look at the page, beta. Page number 175. Give correct answers. Give correct answers. Now I'll show you the page also. Look at this. See. This is a page number 175. Now we have give correct answers on checkpoint. A house made of concrete and bricks are pakka house. Are pakka house. Now the first one is, I'll write here on the whiteboard. First one is, a houses made of concrete and bricks are pakka house. Please write down. Second one is, a temporary house made of canvas, that is tent house. Third one is, a big house with many rooms, bungalows. Bungalows. And the fourth one is, please note down. Yes, and the fourth one is a house on wheels, are caravans. Okay. So these are the 4 types of houses. These are the correct answers. Now the next question is, see, look at these new words that I discussed also, but again I have to repeat. Please listen carefully. Look at this page. See, these are the difficult words or new words. First one is rural. Now, what is the meaning of rural? That I already discussed. Now, again, I repeat, related to villages. Rural means related to villages. Second one is thatched roofs. Thatched roofs. Roofs made of straw. Roofs made of straw. Third one is canvas, a strong fabric. A strong fabric used to make tents or sails. जो टेंट बनाने के या फिर सेलिंग के लिए जो बोट्स वगैरह में कपड़ा लगा होता है उसको बोलते हैं, उसको उस फैब्रिक को क्या बोलते हैं? कैनवेस. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज ट्रैक. A long journey on foot. Track means ट्रैक करना, चलना, बहुत ज्यादा चलना. A long journey on foot. Next one is camping. The activity of living in a tent. जो टेंट में रहकर एक्टिविटी की जाती है उसको कैंपिंग बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज, next one is choose the correct answers. Okay, choose the correct options to fill in the blanks. Now first one is kacha houses are found in cold places, villages or cities. Yes, villages. Kacha houses are founded in villages. Kacha houses are found in villages. In the places where it snows heavily, one can find dash igloos, houseboats, caravans. In the places where it snows heavily, or one can find igloos. Put the tick on igloos. Now the next one is, third one is, houses on hills have dash flat, thatched or sloping roofs. Houses on hills, जहाँ पर heavy rains होती है और hills में, houses on hills have sloping roofs. Okay, put the tick on sloping. Okay, sloping roofs. Tents are built with dash, cardboard, canvas, paper. Now, tents are built with cardboard, canvas, paper. Very nice. Those who are writing answers, please, very well done, beta. Yes, the answer is canvas. Now the next last one, fifth one is stilt house. Stilt houses are built on dash wood, bamboo, concrete, poles. कौन से poles होते हैं? Yes, bamboos. Very good. Very nice. Fifth answer is bamboos. Okay. Now turn the page, beta. See the next question. Look at the screen. I'll show you one other PDF. Look at this. Yes. First one is say true or false. Okay. A multi-storied building is made up of cement and bricks. Yes, true. Very nice. Houseboats are houses made up of snow. Houseboats are houses made up of snow. Houseboat वो हाउस हैं जो स्नो से बनते हैं. Very good. False. Okay. Now the third one is flats are moving houses. Flats are moving houses. Very good. False. Flats are still flats are yes big in big buildings there are flats, so they are not moving. Big bungalows are big buildings are not movable. Skyscrapers are not movable. Yes, so flats are moving houses. False. Sloping roofs are found in places where it snows heavily. Sloping roofs are found in places where it snows heavily. Yes, true. Now next one is question answers. Please note down whenever I start writing, you just write the answers on your notebook. Okay, try to write on the notebook. Question you can write later. Leave the space for question. Leave 2 lines. Just write. Start from this. आपने बुक पे कैसे स्टार्ट करना है? नोटबुक पे ऊपर पहले लेसन का नाम लिखना है, न्यू वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. लीव 1 page फॉर न्यू वर्ड्स. Yes, very good. Then second page, on second page, you have to write the topic, lesson, lesson number, and then you start question answers. You have to write question number one, then answer. Okay. You will write the question later. Leave 2 lines for question also. Now the first answer is, now look at the screen. The first question is, I'll use the whiteboard. Now look at this. Question number 1. A house is our basic need. Do you agree? Why? Why not? Okay. Now the answer number 1 is C. Yes, a house is our basic need. Yes, comma, a house is our basic need. Now he's asking why. Are you agree? Do you agree? Yes, I am. Yes, I agree. A house is our basic need. Yes, I agreed. A house is our basic need. Then why? Because it protects us. Because it protects us from natural disasters. Okay, because it protects us from natural disasters. Okay. Now the next question is question number 2. Between कच्चा and पक्का house, which are weaker? कौन सा हाउस वीक होता है? कच्चा हाउस और पक्का हाउस के बीच में कौन सा हाउस वीक होता है? नाउ द आंसर नंबर 2 इज कच्चा हाउस Kacha house is weaker than Pakka house. Then Pakka house. Okay. Now the question number 3. Please note down. Which houses are called permanent houses? Yes. Please note down all the answers in your notebook. You can write the question later. Leave the space for questions. Now the third one is, which houses are called permanent houses? Shall I remove the first one? Okay. Which houses are called the permanent? The permanent houses are bungalows, bungalows, flats, bungalows, flats, pakka houses, पक्का houses either they are single storied or double storied. Okay, चाहे वो single story हो चाहे वो double story हो, these are the permanent houses which are made up of bricks, concrete, stones and wood. Okay, now the next question is question number 4. What is a houseboat? Shall I remove this all? Okay. Now question number 4. What is a houseboat? Please note down. The houseboats are the houses. Write the answer. The houseboats. The houseboats are the houses which floats on which floats in river which floats in a river they are mostly made of strong wood which help them to float in water. Okay, you can write this much only. The houseboats are the houses which floats in river. Okay. Now the last one, question number 5. Where are stilt houses found? Where are stilt houses found? Now the question number 5 and the answer is where are stilt houses found? Stilt houses are found in the places stilt houses are found in the places with heavy rainfall which are often flooded with water. Okay, you can write this much only. That's enough. You can write this much only. Okay. So where we find the stilt houses? The stilt houses are found in in the places with heavy rainfalls. Okay. Now that's all for the all question answers. Now here are some questions. Think and answer. Please, children, you just think and answer me. I will give you the time of full week. Next week when I'll take your class of EVS, then I will ask you these questions so you can discuss about this. You can give your answers. Igloos are houses made of snow and ice. Igloos are houses made of snow and ice. Do you think they protect people? Do you think they protect people living in cold places from the cold? Okay. Now you understand? Very nice. Think and answer. Please revise these questions. Igloos are houses. Just you have to think about the answer. आपने ये आंसर सोचना है और मुझे अपना अपना आइडिया बताना है. You have to write this answer yourself. Then I will do the correction. When you will do this, after that I will do the correction. Just read the lesson again. Read the lesson again and do the true false. Okay, some are asking, ma'am, please. Okay, you were not in the class that time. Okay, I will revise the true false again. First one is a multi-storied building is made up of cement and bricks. That is true. Second one, houseboats are houses made up of snow. Houseboats जो हैं वो snow की बनी होती हैं. False. Very good. Third one, flats are moving houses. जो फ्लैट्स हैं या बंगलोज हैं या सॉरी स्काई स्क्रैपर्स हैं उनके बीच में जो फ्लैट्स होते हैं वो मूविंग होते हैं. नो. फॉल्स. ओके. Then fourth one is sloping roofs are found in places where it snows heavily. स्लोपिंग रूफ वहां पर होते हैं जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा बारिशें होती हैं. यस. जहां पर ज्यादा बर्फ पड़ती है. Yes, it is true. Okay. Now, if you have any query, you can ask me now. Please, beta, we have 10 minutes. If you have any query, you can ask me. But before that, listen carefully. Listen, girls. Please don't look here and there. Just look at me. Look at the screen. Now, please look at the screen. You have to do these questions yourself. ये आपने खुद से करने हैं. Okay. Who is this? Surbi, listen carefully. Don't look here and there. Just look at the screen, beta. Think and answer will be given in your book on page number 176. That is, first question is, igloos are houses made of snow and ice. Okay, igloos वो घर हैं जो snow और ice के बने होते हैं. Do you think they protect people? तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि वो लोगों को सर्दी में बचाते हैं? You have to give your answer in your words. Okay, ये आपने खुद से लिखना है. Second one is, houses with thatched roofs are very weak. जो thatched roof के घर बने होते हैं, जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया ना इसमें, कच्चा हाउसेस, ठीक है, हाउसेस इन विलेजेस में, तो उसमें मैंने आपको बताया था they have thatched roofs. Okay, now I don't want to discuss about this. You have to write the answer. Houses with thatched roofs are very weak. Why? You have to give reason for that. Okay, now these two questions you have to do it next week. Whenever I'll take your EVS class, that time I will check your notebooks. And everybody, please listen carefully. Make your notebooks properly. Please maintain your notebooks. Maintain your notebooks properly with the lesson number, lesson name, everything, and date should be there. Please write the date when we have done anything on that notebook. You should write the date of that day. Okay. Yes, all the question answers should be there in your notebooks. New words should be in your notebooks. Okay, question answers, whatever we have done, no need to write the fill in the blanks or say true or false on the notebooks. Okay, please try to maintain the notebooks. Do these questions, think and answer. Next week I will check your notebooks. Now if you have any query regarding question answers, you can ask me now. बट एक एक करके बोलना, सिर्फ एक्सक्यूज मी मत करते रहना, बात करना. ओके, नाउ आई विल अनम्यूट यू ऑल.
चैप्टर की क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेजो. सेमेस्टर वाइज मैम, सेमेस्टर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेजो. एक क्वेश्चन
कौन सा क्वेश्चन आंसर भेजो?
मैम
ये बच्चे कौन बोल रहा था अभी? क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेजो. हाँ, why should I send you all the question answers if I have done all question answers on the board? Why should I send you separately?
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी.
ओके. हाँ बच्चे बोलो, आप जो एक्सक्यूज मी बोल रहा है बोलो बच्चा.
मैम आप क्या रिटाज नेस्ट के क्या क्वेश्चन आंसर भेजोगी?
कौन से लेसन के?
रिटाज नेस्ट.
ओके, आई विल सेंड यू अगेन. बट आपने इतनी तकलीफ नहीं की. मैंने मेरी बात सुनो, मैंने बोर्ड मैंने व्हाइट लिसन टू मी. प्लीज कीप क्वाइट. मैंने रीटास नेस्ट वाले क्वेश्चन आंसर जो करवाए हैं, उसकी वीडियो देखने की भी आप तकलीफ नहीं कर रहे हो. उसकी वीडियो भी भेजी है आपको, आप वीडियो भी नहीं देख सकते हो उसकी. बार बार आपको यस रिकॉर्डिंग भेजी है ना बच्चे मैंने आपको. I have sent it you already. Videos, whatever recording is there, I send you on that day when I got received back. जब भी मुझे मिलती है मैं उसी टाइम आपको वीडियोस भेज देती हूँ, आपको क्लास वर्क का पूरा भेजती हूँ, फिर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो. I'll try to send it again on Snap homework. Please check your Snap homework carefully. I will send it again. Okay.
Thank you. Ma'am,
Next.
we will do give correct answer and correct answer. Choose the correct answer and true false on the road book.
No need of writing all the question answers. Just you have to
Ma'am,
write
please
the new words. You just listen, beta. Listen. आपने
Ma'am,
सिर्फ
please send
notebook
the
पे new
question
words.
answer of semester
Please keep
2
quiet and listen to me.
EVS.
Listen बच्चे, बात सुनो. आपने सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर सिर्फ आपने नोटबुक के ऊपर डेट डालनी है और डेट डाल के न्यू वर्ड्स आपने लिखने हैं. फिर उसके बाद में आपने सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लिखने हैं और जो बोलूंगी वो लिखना है. बाकी फालतू का आपने अपनी मर्जी से नोटबुक पे कोई काम नहीं करना है.
New words and question answers.
बच्चे ये कोई बच्चा बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है. आई थिंक यू हैव नेटवर्क इशू. आप बेटा टाइप करके मुझे सेंड करो.
Ma'am,
टाइप
please
करके
send
सेंड
the
करो. आई विल चेक इट.
Ma'am, please send the question answers.
नो आई विल नॉट सेंड यू अगेन एंड अगेन. अभी मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग भेजूंगी तो रिकॉर्डिंग के बीच में है ना लिखे हुए हमने, तो आप वहां से देख सकते हो ना बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
और आज ये जो मैंने दो आपको काम दिया है, एक थिंक एंड आंसर, यू हैव टू राइट योरसेल्फ. ये आपने खुद से लिखने हैं. डोंट टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स आल्सो. दिस इज योर ओपिनियन, दिस इज योर थिंकिंग. ओके, ये आपकी सोच है, आपके पेरेंट्स की नहीं लेनी है. यू हैव टू डू दिस विद योर हेल्प ओनली. डोंट टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स प्लीज. And I will do the
Excuse me,
correction
ma'am.
when I check. Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Today we have English test.
Yes, I will send it after 2 o'clock. Okay, that is a Google Form test.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send
Thank
it.
you so much,
I
ma'am.
will send it at 2 o'clock. Okay. And if
Okay,
you
ma'am,
find
thank
any
you.
difficulty, if you find any difficulty in your Google Form, you just close it for 5 minutes and then again you should open. When you open that, na, you will
Okay,
find
ma'am.
it will be okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now take care and revise all the question answers of lesson number 3, 4, 5 and 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, I'll take your test. Till then, take care. Good luck, beta.